This is my favorite so far. Okay, this is my favorite now. Alright guys, so that's it. This is the last one. My lips are screaming for help. That's a lot of matte lipsticks. 12 colors from Makeup Revolution. This is their matte balm liquid lip, and I'm so thankful that Makeup Revolution sent these lipsticks to me for you guys to see the swatches. These lipsticks are retail for $7, and you can get them from Ulta or Makeup Revolution website. So it's promised that these matte balm lipsticks are kiss proof. They're long lasting and the formula is very creamy. What do I think about these matte lipsticks? I think that they're very comfortable for matte lipsticks and they don't crust. They're not very matte. These are more like lacquer, like paint. It's a little bit sticky, but it actually goes away as it dries and it's very comfortable for a liquid lipstick. This is not the usual matte liquid lipsticks that are drying, that will dry your lips out. These are more hydrating. They're very light, they're very creamy. My favorite color would be the red one, Lure Red. This is really nice. And also this color that I'm using, this one is Delicate Brown. For $7, these are bomb. Hence the name Matte Bomb. I recommend you guys try these out, especially these two colors. Alright guys, that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. And my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Alright, so they promised that this is kiss proof formula, so we're gonna try it.